Hello there, my name is Maeri Howard and I work with Beech Web Services to help them with their email marketing campaigns. One of the most asked questions that we get from new clients is, what topics can I possibly write about? I'm going to show you what we use to find the topics that we know will be of interest to your audience, and we're going to do it in less than the time it takes to drink a cup of tea. Our favorite go-to website for topics that you know will resonate with your marketplace is Answer the Public. You can search a topic, a brand, or a product, and it will find all the real-time topics that are being searched for within that area that you would want to know about to be able to write content for. So here's an example. If you're an estate agent and you wanted to write a topic on house sales, we put in house sales and you push search. So based on the search house sales, these are some of the topic areas that come up. And if you look here, you can see how it has divided up. You have house sales, which is the word that you used, and then it has the spokes of topics that are off of those. So house sales will, and then if we look up here, it says, will house sales slow down? Now, what you're going to notice if you look at the will spoke is that the darker green ones are the ones that are more popular. As it fades in color, it means there's not as many searches for it. So if you want to write an article that you know people are searching for information on, I would suggest, will house sales slow down? Now, what you can do is you can click on that and it will go to the topic that was highlighted in that. Same thing here. You've got when house sales, when house sales fall through. And that's a very topical area. We've all bought a house. We know that's something that can happen. And it gives you an idea of what are some of the main reasons that house sales fall through. So you can see, simply by putting in a topic area within your industry, you suddenly get an incredible amount of real-time searches that you could use to write your own content, whether it's for a newsletter, a blog post, or even your social media outlets.